The only times I run is run away from men. Running is hard. Running is fucking hard. I have straps. Hello, hi. How are we doing this morning? I hope we're all doing well. So, well, as you know from the title, I'm gonna become a runner this year. If anyone knows me, you know, I don't run. The only times I run is run away from men. Genuinely.
Running from the fucking ugly man! Ah!
That is probably the only time I've really run is to escape people. I make it sound like I was getting kidnapped. If you don't know, I am wanting to compete in a high rocks this year, and for a high rocks you end up running 8 kilometers total. So I generally need to be running so I can do the high rocks, but I really want to enjoy running. I don't want it to be a chore, because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hate high rocks training at the moment. I think I love lifting weight. I love lifting heavy circles. Weight training has my heart. I love it. The more high intensity, like the ski erg, the row, like the cardio, I guess, the burpees, like that kind of shit, don't love as much. Wall balls, Today I did a 5k run, and my pace sat between 7 to 8 minutes. I went running with 2 other girls, and the reason I didn't vlog is because I was nervy. I was so nervous. I went with, like, I have only met both of these girls once before. One of them I literally was only introduced to, like, we didn't actually have a conversation. It was just like, oh, this is Maddie, this is blah 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 blah, this is Maddie, and that was it. And then the other girl I have spoken to a bit more, but like only once, so I was a little bit nervy, but did it. It was great. I think every single Thursday we called it our like slow girl run club, because we're a little bit slow. It's like a jog, which is fine. We need some slow running queens out there. Not everyone can be Grace Grove running a 4-minute kilometer. Dead ass after running today, she's fucking speedy. Holy shit. My body is quite sore. It was actually a really hard 5k. We were aiming, well, when I got there, they were like, we kind of want to run 6ks. And I was like, yeah. I've never run 6ks before. I have run 5ks without stopping twice before. I've done 3. Sorry, don't mind what's happening here. I did my own acrylic nails, and clearly you can tell that this hand was done with my dominant, and then this one wasn't, because these ones have all fallen off. Me and Boyf have been were doing the park runs at the end of last year to slowly start getting into running. Not that I vlogged it, because we were just testing the waters. So I knew I was capable of doing a 5k without stopping, but I've never run 6k, and normally at 5k I die, and I was dying at 5k today, and it was like the sun was just beaming on us the entire time, so it was a hard run, sweat dripping. I mean, I still look red, and we just went and sat at a little coffee shack. It wasn't really like a cafe, it was, yeah, I don't even know what to call it, but it was really nice. We sat there, had some pineapple like Dole Whip, but we don't call it Dole Whip, we call it Dole Soft Serve. That was really good. I just got a little small one. It was really good. And then coffee, and we sat there for about an hour, I think, maybe more, just yapping, getting to know each other. But yeah, hopefully that becomes my every Thursday. So I get up with the boy at 5, I go hit a really quick chest and shoulder day, and then I drive to go running with them. And then that means I'll be running at least once every week, and then maybe we're starting back up the park runs, which means I'll be running twice a week, plus high rocks training, which is on Monday. So running 3 times a week. Scary. I will try and take you guys on more proper runs and not just like a little recap, but I was so fucking scared. If anyone has a good running playlist, please let me know, because I had the most random songs on. I just googled like running and then let like the Spotify made ones go, and I had to keep tapping skip songs on my AirPods. Also, I'm fully decked out in LSKD crop. I got black accelerate shorts on. I had black running belt, and then my shoes, they're a bit dirty, don't mind that. I got Nike, what the fuck are these called? I don't know. But these are my running shoes. I guess I'll see you maybe on Saturday if we do the park run. Otherwise, it'll probably be next Thursday when I go for a run with our Slow Girl Run Club. Okie dokie, guys, I'm driving to where we're going running, and the reason I'm starting to vlog right now is because I think one of the girls I'm running with is actually behind me. Normally there's 3 of us, but one of the girls messaged this morning saying she's not coming, which all good. Yeah, on our way. Gonna perhaps go run 5Ks. Pray for me, everybody, pray for me. I'm still just getting into running, so big praise, please.
If it wasn't 5Ks, I used to extend it and do like something.
Holy shit. I need the aircon, hold on. That was hard. Although I do think I ran faster at the start today. And then I got to kilometer 4 and dropped right back. I'll put my paces up if I remember. But holy fuck, that was hard. I'm gonna go get coffee with one of the girls. One of the other girl that came with, she brought a friend, so there was still 3 of us, but none of us ran together today. The other friend, she like went off so fast. I think she said she was doing like 6-minute kilometers, which is fucking hectic. And then I was looking at my average pace and like, shit, my average pace is 7:30. Like, this week I kind of want to stick to a 7-minute pace. And then I think it was like kilometer 2 or like end of kilometer 2, start of kilometer 3. I was like, holy fuck, I'm running like a 6:50 pace. And then I dropped right back because I was fucking dying. Like, that was so fucking hard. My ankles were hurting a little bit while we were running today. My shoulder, I've had shoulder issues in the past. I have hypermobile joints. My right shoulder, when I run, starts to hurt. It was really hurting today. I started running with literally my arm straight by my side instead of like all tensed up. I got a stitch on my right side. Running is hard. Running is fucking hard. Hi queens. Firstly, yes, I'm sunburned. I will show you how bad. Okay, I don't even know if you can really see. Whole face is burnt. I have straps from the LSKD crop. Back, not too bad. It's kind of just like the tips of my shoulders. Oh yeah, my forearms. Don't know if you can see that. Burnt. This is where it gets wild. Burnt. But also, I just wanted to talk through the run that I did today because I didn't really do much chatting at the field. I don't know why I get so anxious to like talk when I'm running with other people, and I also get so anxious to film my actual running. So no running was filmed. But basically, today we did, I don't know if it's 1 kilometer intervals or 1 kilometer efforts. I don't know the difference. So if anyone would like to educate me in the comments, please do so. But we did 1 kilometer run, 5-minute rest, 4 times. We were meant to do 8, but your girl dying. My shoulder was hurting. I do have had shoulder issues in the past. I think I need to go to a physio and figure out why the heck my shoulder was hurting so bad. Also, I won't lie, I did not fuel properly for this run. I really need to fix my eating habits because I am not fueling properly. It's not necessarily that like I'm oh my god, I'm under eating. It's like I'm having many sweet treats. I might be like hitting my calories, but most of those calories was like a bag of chips. But yeah, so we did the run. It was me and boy today. He is a way speedier runner than I am, which is why I'm running multiple times a week. Well, at least trying to. Like, this was his first run in a while, but like he still will run a 4-minute kilometer, where I was sitting at, actually I can tell you my paces. So the first kilometer we ran like a 6:30ish pace. It was quite fast. We were aiming for 7-minute we were aiming for a 7-minute pace. The first one was 6:30. We started running like at a 5:50 or something, and I was like, and then slowed it down, so it was at a 6:30, or like the average pace for the kilometer was 6:30. Then the second one was I think 7:05, and then the third one was 7:04 or something. So like they were gorgeous paces, really what we wanted to see, and really was hitting the target. And then we hit the last kilometer. It was more at an 8-minute or 7:30 pace, sorry. It was a 7:30 pace, but I also did get a stitch and I was dying, and neither of us fueled properly before we ran, which is really bad, and like we really need to fix that. I'm actually about to go have a full-on steak for dinner. But yeah, that's kind of like what happened on today's run, and I hope you enjoyed my like starting running, falling in love with running thing. I will hopefully do more running videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this like little running vlog. If you want to see more running content, let me know. Also like tag LSKD so they see this. LSKD actually commented on one of my TikToks, so they already know who I am. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And yeah, until next time, bye.